Hello, masterminds. I forgot to buy an ingredient I need for the food I will cook today. Luckily, my grandma has what I need. Let's go get it. Thanks, Grandma, for the shallots. Okay, I'll see you later.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
I'm ready to cook and enjoy chicken marsala with cheesy chive linguine. To begin preparation, grate some Parmigiano Reggiano. Finely chop 1 large garlic clove and thinly slice 3 shallots. Thinly slice some cremini mushrooms. Lastly, finely chop some chives and some Italian parsley. To begin cooking, bring to the boil a pot of salted water and heat up some olive oil in another pan. Dry and season some chicken cutlets. Then lightly dredge them in all-purpose flour. Then saute for 1.5 minutes on each side. Nice. Next, saute the mushrooms in the fond for 3 minutes. Season as you go. Add the garlic and shallots. Cook for 2 minutes. Next, deglaze with 1 cup of marsala. Flambe it if you desire. When the marsala has reduced by half, add 1 cup of chicken stock. Reduce by half again. It's now time to cook the pasta. Turn off the heat and stir in cold butter. Add the chicken and its resting juices to the pan. Top with the parsley. Coat the cooked pasta in the chives, the cheese, salt, pepper, and olive oil. It's time to plate up. Chicken marsala with cheesy chive linguine. Done. Oh. Oh my gosh. Wow. This dish is intensely savory. Buttery sauce. Oh, the mushrooms. They pack a punch. The garlic and shallots are sweet. The date and the apricot flavor, the sweet marsala really comes out. The Italian parsley adds a nice freshness. Moist chicken. The pasta is al dente. There's a nice fresh onion flavor. And it's salty and creamy. Nice. What a lovely dish. Delizioso.
5 minutes later.
That's good.
Yay.
That's good too.
Yay.
20 minutes later.
I brought you some food. Yay. Is it delicious? Yay. Yes. Success.
You have to make me that.
Some more? Yeah. The 2 dictators. It's 92 degrees Fahrenheit outside.
How about inside?
In here, it's always cool because you have air conditioning on 24/7.
1 hour later.
Delicious turon. Yum.
Did you like it, Simon? Good.
I like it.
We have more.
Bye, Grandpa. Okay, bye, Grandma. Thank you.
Okay. Welcome.
Masterminds, I'm going to go now. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Remember, be smart for your heart. Good night.